manunuka rin, pawagan na kay katamo ng ginutamong Yeso Kristo, at sasabihan na kay katamo, ing maging asin, at sulo na katamo ng yato. But sinabi na, ing asin, nung milakoya silbi, nga na, at may walaya lasa, mo na balik pa, itang lasa na, nang malyari, miyugsay niya mo. Nanok yung wari na sabihan ni nga pong ginukanita, na when the salt loses its tastes, what does it mean? O tao sa nakatamong asin ni nga pong gino. Nulawen tayo po yung asin, potang miyalo yaking, potang mira sa king kekang, mira sa king kekasugat, ay kaplas. Kaplas. Pero balo tamo po, na ing asin, mas balo tayo as a table condiment. Sasamot tayo king pamangan. Bangkanita, bigyan niya lasa yung pamangan. In ancient times, ing asin, at niya pang mas importanteng gamit. Ing asin, it's necessary to what? Para i-preserve ni ing pamangan, para masira. Pansinin niya yung asan, di niyan may asin. Medyo kakabayang bagyay itang kaya nga, itang masira. The Spanish word for salt is sal. Sal. And so, salt is at the root of the words what? Sauce, salad, salsa, salami. At King Ancient Rome po, mababayaran na ring sundalo, kapamilatan na ning salt, or a salarium, or a salary. Salary. In other words, ing presensya tamo king yato ang timong Kristiyano, pwede yang iyalintulad o ikumpara king metong nga asin na mamye lasa. At the same time, preserve taya ing pamangan bang masira. Just because, nung talagang niya tamong Kristiyano, ing peka best propaganda tamo, the best propaganda capable of inciting other people is bang kanta maginla namang Kristiyano. Ito bang hopefully kapamilatan mo maginla namang Kristiyano kawangis mo. Because only changed lives can convince others over Christianity. Ano yung kasalay ni kitang dapat yung mayap, yung maging sangkan, bangkanita, dingaliwa, maging mayap la naman, pauli mo. It is by example. Pero lalawin ing pamangan po tami pasobra yasin, manya-manya, it's horrible. Nga mo, So, yung buri na sabihin, in other words, no matter how good our intentions might be, if we come too strong, delikado mo rin ta, if we come too strong, we do more harm than good. Anyan yung kaya wari. Ito maging masyadong preachy, at ito masyadong maging holier than thou. Though we know how to be good, we have to be careful on how, in a way, becoming salt to other people. Uling tutunan yan, po tabi papasobra na kaman. Asin kapin, sinobra na yung kalat. May spoil ya mo itang pamangan. May spoil ya mo itang propaganda mo, itang agenda mo. Di mo ang Kristiyano. Kita mo pong Kristiyano, kailangan tayong gambulan. Yung kay katang biye Kristiyano. And even our spirituality, ang makapaligid kay katamo. And so therefore, we are called to do two things as salt of the earth. Adong bagay. Una, we are called to be witnesses of faith. We are called to be witnesses of faith. Kawangis na rin minunang Kristiyano. Kawangis na rin minunang Kristiyano. Ating kanong apat abagi pwede tamong gawan. So that we may be witnesses according to S. Briscoe. Nga na makanyan. Muna, we have to be witnesses by faith. How? By showing care. Care. Show concern for the person. And concern for your life before Him. Palto kang maglasakit ka rin aliwa. At siyempre, mas malagway ni po tangakakit dahi ka, ika mismo, di dyan may malasakit yung kekang sarili. Next, care. Next, dare. Dare. Pwede sabihan, kailangan mo itang sikanan to give witness. Balitan truth or dare. And dare, di ba? Dapat pasikang kalub. You dare. Courage if the person is a stranger to you. Lalo na karatayan mo kakilala. And even more, if the person is a close friend. Kaya kasi wala tama masakit kang mag-dare, karetang mo kakilala, pero rin ka masakit diling mag-dare. Kaya ka rin kakalukuran. Yung balo makananong mong sabihan, lalo na nung balo nung makananong lang handle, yung bawa yung criticisms. Tama ba? Ay kami ba makahamo sabihan kaya? Ay nakaparoning stranger, it's easier because you don't know any background about the person. Pero nung kaluguran o kamag-anak familya sometimes, mas kailangan may itang marakalapangadi, bakang sikan lupa mo sabihan. Dare. So, care. Next, dare. Next, number 3, share. Share. Bangka dito, may lasting impression ka, share yourself with the person. Share yourself with the person. Mag-involve ka dapat kitang interest na, get your shoulder under his burden, and be genuinely glad when he was success. Tang palto mo masaya ka't ma-successful ya. Share. And then, fourth, of course, ay mawawalay ni prayer. Prayer. No? Don't discount the effectiveness of prayer in preparation of people's hearts for the good news. Prayer must be there all the time. May mawawala yan. So, 4 na paralan to give witness to our faith. We have care, dare, share, prayer. And then, after giving witness, the other way is we are called to do apostolate. Apostolate. Ini obrahin obrahing apostolate. That is part and parcel of being Christian. Kailangan kang magobra. Every Christian has to strive not only for personal holiness. Tamo mo pakikini, maging tamong mayap at banal na tao. Pakitamo mo naman na makananaw talang pabanalan at sopan, din kapatid tamong makapaligid kay katamo. So we should not be self-centered only, but we also have to think on how other people, iburi nga pong Ginoo, wala mo sarili mong isipan mo. Pati ila, makanano yung gawan mo. Makanita kung pwede mo, sabi-sabi kayo. Itang although ka, mayap na ka. Itang biyasa kang manantabi. Itang biyasa kang manaya ka rin malalakwan, o balo mo lang puntalan. At patient ka para asabi mo lang. Alway tangi ka na, dili mo. Makanyan, naman saglulo. Eta naman dugo, alata naman king race. What is important is, dakal tamo mo naman maging effect, kawangas na ning asin, karining tao. And hopefully, miligtas la naman at ipagbanalan la naman. Po? So, the Christian should do the same among people around him or her. Uling, kapamilatanin kay katang pangabinyag at kay katang kumpil, may appoint tamungan for an apostolate by the Lord Himself. Diba po, may kumpil ka, sabi tampo, sabi yan, you become a soldier of Christ. So, midyang kang assignment, midyang kang appointment. So, lalo na rin lay people, because lay people are so many. And they can be able to do that nung ka rin laman. Yan naman kailangan mong tala Africa. Yan naman kailangan mong tala wherever. Yan naman kailangan mong tala bundok. Kaya ito mismong lugar na ka rin la. That's the start of an apostolate. Bisan may king pamilya mo, di ba? Gawin mo yung pamilya mo, bilang ko mo, halimbawa, tanang pamanyin ba ng Domingo, sisimba ko nga ba? Di ba? Tapa, number 1 nito. Marakal. So, naman kailangan gawa kang extraordinary thing to be to be able to do apostolate. Ne? Pigkaluba nakatamo ni nga pong ginong alwalawang talento at kagiwan. Dini gamitan tala. Mo para king kay katang sarili no ne. Para karin mo naman kaparat ang tao. So, we only don't give witness, we also have to do an apostolate. So, my dear friends, bilang Kristiyano, tamo mo kabud, luluklok, makiramdam, kailangan tamo mo namang galo at mag-obra. Because we are tasked, we have a mission to do here on earth. Yapin itang maging sala at maging asin, lalo na asin ng yato. We have to make a difference. Ito sanang makagulis tamo. Nalwait ng kabudyali na basimbiya mo kaya tiking yato na alaka man dugong epek. Wa ipek din tangka, dakabaro may koka, alakak ipek. Sana naman dugoy makanyan. Sana mo man, potang makoka, ating significance ketang kekang kewa all throughout your life. Because basically, you are here for a purpose. You are here for a mission. And that is becoming a light and salt of the earth.